Hi, it is Morgan. Today I'm excited to introduce our sliding door fan cooling bar refrigerator. Whether it's for a bar, restaurant, commercial kitchen, this fridge delivers stable refrigeration. Crafted from high-quality black PCM material, this fridge features a sleek, modern design and the sliding doors. Save space and open smoothly, making it perfect for high-traffic environments. With a 193-liter capacity, this fridge offers plenty of storage for ingredients or beverages, making it ideal for various commercial needs. The temperature can be adjusted between 4 degrees Celsius to 10 degrees Celsius, ensuring your items are always stored at the perfect temperature. Equipped with a fan cooling system, this fridge ensures even cooling throughout, maintaining consistent temperature and keeping ingredients fresh. The one-bar compressor provides powerful, stable performance for long-lasting efficiency. Whether you run a bar, restaurant, or a cafe, this fridge is perfect for your cooling needs. It cools quickly and energy efficient, making it the ideal choice for efficient operations. Special discount available now. If you're interested in this fridge, leave a comment below and our customer service team will reach out and provide more details. That's all today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. See you next time.